Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to educate you guys on how you can use Trust Wallet to buy any Base Network tokens. Base Network is a network built by Coinbase and is one of the top blockchains out there, which is in hype. So today I just want you guys to understand how you can go about navigating this blockchain, buying most of the top altcoins on this blockchain. For this tutorial, we're gonna need Binance, we're gonna need Trust Wallet, Coin Market Cap. So let's dive into the tutorial right now. For us to begin, we need to first of all go to Trust Wallet. This is the interface of my Trust Wallet, and I have 15.40 US dollars worth of Ethereum on the base network. So for you to get Ethereum on the base network, you need to go to the search menu. You're gonna see all networks. Go there and select the base network, and you're gonna have it there, and that's it. Click on receive, copy this contract address, then take it to your Binance. Because what I want to also do is to get some Ethereum tokens on the base network. So you go to your Binance and you withdraw some Ethereum to your base network on Trust Wallet. So what you're gonna do is go to withdraw. You withdraw Ethereum. In this case, I've already withdrawn some Ethereum, but let me just show you what you have to do. Let's say right now you have Ethereum. Just click on it. You know, give me options to withdraw Ethereum, send via crypto network. Okay, now I'm gonna paste the address there. Select the network. Make sure you select the base network. This is it, base. Click on that, and go to the amount of Ethereum that you wanna withdraw to your base. Click on withdraw, confirm, and withdraw your Ethereum to the base network on Trust Wallet. The next thing you have to do is make sure you add this base token, the interface of this Trust Wallet. Let me how you're gonna do it. Go right down, and you're gonna see manage crypto. Click on the plus sign, and you're gonna see the networks address and all this good stuff. Click on it, select the base network. In this case, we will have it Ethereum base. Click on that. Go to coin market cap, and you're gonna go to the base network to select which token you want to buy. In this case, I think we're gonna do breath, but let me just show you how you can go about selecting the coins on CoinMarketCap. Go to this and look at the menu here. Select categories. Look where categories is. Click on categories. Scroll down a little bit. You're gonna see the base ecosystem. Click on that, and here you have all the tokens that are found on the base network. In this case, as I mentioned, we're gonna go to breath. Click on that breath. It's a meme coin on the base network. Scroll right down, to get the contract address. This is it, contract address. Click on it. Copy that contract address. Take it to your Trust Wallet. Paste it there, and you're gonna see everything's gonna appear. The name, bread, the symbol, the decimal. Then you import it. I don't want to import it because I already have it already. So I'm gonna now go to swap my Ethereum to bread. So let's assume that you have already sent Ethereum to your base network, and you have your Ethereum right now. You want to swap it, or you want to buy base project or base token. In this case, as I mentioned, we want to do it with bread. What you have to do is go to discover, and here on discover, make sure you're gonna see futures, dex, lending. Go to dex and scroll down to aerodrome. 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 I hope I pronounce it well. Click on that. What you're gonna do is now connect your wallet to this dex. This is a dex that you can trade the base project on, which I think is brilliant. So just go to the drop menu there. If say you haven't connect your wallet, go to connect your wallet. In this case, I already connected my wallet. Right now you have to make sure you try to swap your token to the base network. So in this case now, I'm gonna just go to swap, and I'm gonna wait a little bit. It's loading. So now I have Aero WET, but what I want is bread. So I'm gonna search for Ethereum. This is it. Ethereum is the amount I have on Ethereum. Then I'm gonna go to here to get my bread. Now the contract address you copied from CoinMarketCap, paste it here as well. And you're gonna see bread is gonna appear there. Import it, and now you have this. So how much I have In Ethereum, I have 0.0000 this. So I'm gonna use all of this amount 0.00394 of Ethereum. So that's what I have there, and I wanna swap it to bread. I wanna wait for it to load a little bit. Yeah, it's loading, and once it is done, I'm gonna swap it to bread. Okay, now it is loaded. So I'm gonna scroll right down to swap it for bread. I'm gonna swap that, you know, click on that. I'm waiting for it to finish loading. Let me see. It's not giving me option to swap it. Let me see. Which network am I right now? I think, let me see. Ethereum, yes. 0.0039 swap. Okay, now it's swapping. It says insufficient base Ethereum balance. Okay, I think maybe I have to go now and change the amount. Let's see. Let me go to 0.0038. Hopefully this time around I'll be able to have balance to pay the gas fee. Let's see, it's loading. Okay, now let's see if say go this time around. Okay, now it goes approve, confirm. Let's wait a little bit. It's connecting. Yes, it shows that it has gone. Yeah, it has gone. Because if I interchange this is the amount I have right now. What breadth, and that will give me this number of, yeah. So I'm gonna go now back to my Trust wallet to see if say I'm gonna find this token there. Let me go back to my Trust wallet. You can see, okay, now I have signal that smart contract call executed, which is awesome. Now I'm gonna refresh my Trust wallet, you know, to be able to get my bread token. Let me wait a little bit. Okay, I have 00. So I'm gonna scroll down. I think right now there's a problem with Void on Trust Wallet, so I'm not able to get the amount, the dollar value. But you can see, if I scroll right down, you can see I have 198 .117392. So I'm gonna send this because I want to be able to see this like in dollar value. So I'm gonna send this to my SafePal wallet instead, so I'll be able to see the value. I have some bread there. So let's go now on my SafePal wallet so we can send this. I'm now on my SafePal wallet. I'm gonna receive bread. I have 21 bread, like $21 worth bread. I'm gonna click on that, receive, copy the address, take it back to Trust Wallet. Go to the bread, click on that, then send, paste everything. No, paste everything. Max, yeah, I want max. Send, confirm, transaction processing. Let's go to SafePal to see if we got it here already. Before it was worth $21. Let's see if I refresh this. Okay, yeah, you can see right now it's worth $36. So it is successful. I've successfully sent my bread. You can see it here. If I go down, let's go down. I don't have any bread left here. Let me refresh this page. Let me refresh this. So let me refresh this a little bit. Yeah, you can see right now I have 0.0000 point. So this is how you go about buying base network project or coins using your Trust wallet. You can also use your SafePower wallet to do it. I'm gonna do a separate video on how you can use your SafePower wallet to buy base network projects or base network tokens. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. If you want me to keep creating more of such educational videos, then make sure you are subscribed to my platform, to like this video and share it with someone else out there. I will said all this good stuff. See you in the next video. Bye bye.